Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn coordinate geometry together, step by step. Coordinate geometry lets us describe the position of any point using numbers. We'll meet the Cartesian plane, learn how a pair of numbers fixes a point, and practice plotting points in the 4 quadrants. Draw a horizontal line, the x-axis, and a vertical line, the y-axis. They cross at a point called the origin, written 0, 0. Together, these axes form the Cartesian plane. Every point is named by an ordered pair x, y. The first number, the abscissa, tells you how far left or right. The second, the ordinate, how far up or down. The order matters. 3, 2 is not the same point as 2, 3. The axes split the plane into 4 quadrants, numbered anticlockwise from the top right. In the first, both signs are positive. In the second, x is negative. In the third, both are negative. And in the fourth, y is negative. Look at the signs of the point -3, 5. The x is negative and the y is positive, which is the pattern negative positive, so this point lies in the second quadrant. To plot 2, 3, start at the origin. Move 2 units to the right along the x-axis. Then 3 units up parallel to the y-axis. Mark that spot. That's the point 2, 3. Points sitting on the x-axis always have y equal to 0, and points on the y-axis always have x equal to 0. The origin, where both are 0, belongs to both axes. Since the x-coordinate is 0, the point 0, -4 lies on the y-axis 4 units below the origin. To recap, a point is an ordered pair x, y. The 4 quadrants follow a fixed sign pattern, and points on the x-axis have y0, while points on the y-axis have x0. Practice plotting and it becomes second nature. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.